The environment is the natural and human-made setting in which living organisms exist. It is made up of various components, which include atmosphere. This refers to the layer of gases that surrounds the Earth. It contains the air we breathe and is essential for sustaining life. Hydrosphere. This refers to all the water on Earth, including oceans, rivers, lakes, and groundwater. It is a crucial component of the environment and supports aquatic life. Lithosphere. This refers to the solid part of the Earth, including the rocks, soil, and minerals. It provides a habitat for many organisms and serves as a source of resources for human activities. Biosphere. This refers to all living organisms on Earth, including plants, animals, and microorganisms. It is the most diverse component of the environment and supports the ecosystem services that sustain life. Anthroposphere. This refers to the human-made environment, including cities, towns, and infrastructure. It is a major component of the environment and influences the other components. All these components are interconnected and work together to create a complex and dynamic environment that supports life on Earth. Thanks for watching.